Hey everyone, this is Sebastian, and I will be going over how to safely store your SGT network tokens for the Status network on your MyEther wallet. A lot of you guys who are more familiar with Coinbase, Coinbase doesn't support all the ERC20 tokens, and MyEther wallet does. So MyEther wallet is probably going to be the go-to to store your new SGT status tokens. So here's a quick overview on how we can create a wallet and begin to store your tokens. So we're going to start with just creating a strong password. It says right there at least 9 characters long. Make sure you save that somewhere very safe. If you think you're going to forget that password at all, make sure you save it somewhere because there is no real way to recover that password. You're going to have that password. So again, it's very important that you save that password that you're typing in right here. And after you've gotten that, just click Generate Wallet, and that allows you to get access to your wallet file. The UTC is your wallet file. You're going to need to save that somewhere. It's the encrypted version, so you're going to have your password in order to get access to this wallet. But you're going to want to make sure to save the UTC file somewhere safe as well. Just like your password, you want to make sure you know where that's at, because if you don't have that UTC file, you can't really get into your account. So mission critical that you have that UTC file safely secured somewhere where it's not going to get lost. So you can see on the bottom left hand side is where that file is. If you're on Mac, you might actually, if you're using Safari on Mac, you might actually have to download Chrome. I've had some people have problems with that. The file doesn't download correctly. So if you're on Mac and Safari, I believe you're going to need to download another browser to make it work. But make sure to grab that UTC and put it somewhere where you know you're going to be able to retrieve it. So this long string right here is your private key, and you're going to want to save that and put it somewhere safe. If somebody has this private key, this long string of numbers and letters, they will have complete access to all of your tokens. So you want to make sure that you keep that private and secured away, just in case you forget your password or anything. This is an unencrypted private key. You do not want to share that with anyone at all. That's for safekeeping as well. Again, they will not need your password. They just need that private key string in order to get access to all the tokens in there. And now if we want to open up our file, we can do that. You're just going to need to grab that UTC file from wherever you saved it at by clicking on the key store file UTC. You can also, if you want, you can also open it with that private key, that long string of letters and numbers, and you won't need your password for that. But so let's do this. UTC file, select, and we're going to go find where our UTC file is, and we are going to open that, and then we're going to need to type in that password that you saved. And we can click unlock there, and it's been successfully decrypted. Over here on the left, you see the ETH balance, and you can look at the transaction history over there. All of just the usual data. Up here is that address that you would share. That's your public address, so you would share that to people to have them send ETH or SGT to this account. It holds all ERC20 tokens. So that's the address that you would be sharing with people to have them send to you. And if we go over here to the left-hand side, it says token balances. You can click on that, and it will show you all the ones that the MyEther wallet team have already added. You can see here we got SGT already on there. Thanks MyEther wallet team. And that's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys for this tutorial, is how to store your SGT tokens. And in the future, the same process will be used for you to store your status network tokens. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Be sure to check the link in the description for a link to the Slack channel, and that's where all the community activity goes on. Look forward to answering questions there. Thanks again for listening. Bye.